Meghan Markle is being sued by her half-sister for defamation and injurious falsehood following the couple's high-profile tell-all interview with Oprah Winfrey in 2021. In a filing submitted in March last year, Samantha Markle claimed that demonstrably false and malicious statements were made by Meghan to a worldwide audience. Samantha has claimed Meghan defamed her to cover up her false rages to riches narrative, according to the Daily Mail. Samantha's lawyer Peter Tickton told the court that Meghan used finding freedom to affirm this false narrative that she supposedly lived this rags to riches thing. He said, "She got caught. She was lying about her education, that she was getting all these scholarships. Her father paid for her education for goodness sakes, and she got caught with this lie. Why else is she putting her sister down? Why else is she putting her father down? Why else is she denying her family who has done nothing but good to her all her life? She never had a problem with them at all. She's denying them to cover up that she made up this narrative that she went from rags to riches, which is nonsense, probably not even realizing the harm she would do to her sister. Probably never realizing this would put an innocent person into the fray where all of a sudden she has hundreds of threats on her life coming at her, a stalker she had to deal with." Meghan's lawyer Michael Kump hit back at Tickton's comments, branding them inappropriate and quite frankly offensive to my client. He noted, "Don't make a federal case out of it. Not every perceived slight ought to be litigated, and that's true here." Plaintiff is taking issue with Meghan's own impressions of her own childhood growing up, but that's not a proper subject matter for a court of law. The statements at issue here are not defamatory as a matter of law. The right to voice opinions and even criticize are guaranteed by the First Amendment. Courts have held pretrial dismissal is necessary in defamation cases because of the chilling effect these cases have on First Amendment rights. Kump went on to argue that the first 7 of the 10 statements cited by Samantha as defamatory were from Finding Freedom and should be excluded since Meghan did not write the book nor publish it. He said, "The law in Florida is clear. Publication requires that the defendant made or published the false statement. It comes as the Duchess previously filed a motion to stop depositions in the case from taking place, but this was dismissed by Florida Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell on Tuesday. A deposition is a formal statement of evidence in the U.S. that is typically taken out of court and by an authorized officer of the court.
Now